What is going on, guys? So we've got this car on jack stands. It's level. We got safety glasses. My garage is clean. She's looking mint. And I feel comfortable and I'm vibing today. What we're going to do in this video today is one, we are going to cut out all this rusted bullshit metal out of this car. I'm going to pile it up, look at it, tell it it sucks, and then carry on with my day. Second, we're going to prep it up. We're going to get it going. And we will see if my metal shows up. I ordered an 4x8 sheet of metal, open, it comes in, we cut it up to what we need and install it into the car. At least get it shaped out for now. If it does not show up, I have something planned. This thing likes to leak on my garage floor. God damn, does it piss me off. So that cardboard there, we're going to get rid of. We're going to fix that leak. That leak is going to get taken care of. And then after that, everyone knows a BMW and a BMW motor, they have that valve cover gasket leak. They love pissing out of the valve. Cover. Forgot the cover. Can't forget the cover. Easy job. So I got the gasket. I got all that. We're going to take care of stuff like that in this video if the metal does not show up. I am trying to go with a new approach in the video. I was given a tip saying I'm sporadic. I'm all over the place with the video. So we're going to try to slow it down, pace it down, and make small little adjustments to our videos. Give me a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you guys like it, what needs to change. Help a brother out, you know? This car is almost there. I want to drive it this summer. By almost, I mean it's nowhere near where it needs to be, but it's almost there. In this video, I will be adding time lapses of us taking care of that metal, getting it out of the car. So be ready, enjoy, have fun, drink a beer. we've cut all this out. Sorry for the wiring. I didn't want to unhook anything. We'll cut a wire in there too. Mint. Cutting that out. Trying to figure out how far up I want to go. Everything beyond that is actually not half bad. We got nothing under there. We're gonna...
Alright, so all this, we're gonna grind down.
Yeah.
We're gonna even it out. We'll clean this all up. We'll match that piece to go from here all the way to there. We'll cover it up to here. We'll fix this first. Fix all this damage, rust first. See, this will mount up to that as well, so whatever piece we add has to have this full piece adding to that,
Yeah.
adding all the way there. So we need to go make that and then a long piece going down all the way with the bottom of the rocker. So tomorrow we'll just grind all this down, even it out. You can't take too much away, but at the same time, clean it so it's easier to weld to. And then honestly, like, fuck it. You might as well cut this rocker out to here.
Full?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. Might as well just get rid of all this fucking rust.
Yeah.
Or actually, no.
Keep that?
We'll cut out all this part up to this lip because everything else is solid off after that. It's just his bottom lip.
Yeah.
We'll just make the bottom lip all the way. It's tapered too, so it can be worked with.
Yeah, makes sense. What does it look like?
Here. So this is what I'm talking about grinding right here. We'll grind all that, even it out, so we can put a piece from here all the way. Fuck's sakes. So a piece from here all the way going down to the end there on the underneath, and then we'll panel it in on the inside, double layer it so we can clean it up and then clean up all this. So how's that side right there?
The whole panel needs to be replaced. Like from here all the way to here. You shut all this.
Yeah, well, it's not. That's gonna be the same thing.
Yeah.
The seat.
I don't know if this is a plastic.
No. Yeah, that's plastic. That's all plastic.
Yeah. Fuck. Just coming out. Fuck. Who needs grinder? You can just rip this thing. Yeah, hold this from here all the way here. Hold this.
Don't. We'll get to that after this side.
Welcome back, guys. So, while Gravir was working on the car underneath, getting it all cleaned up, I was working on the engine bay. We ended up going under the car, tightening up the power steering pump hard lines. They were loose. I ended up looking up into the engine bay, saw that there was more of a leak coming under the airbox area, which I took out. I found out that there is a catch can that is just stuffed in here. There is no clamps on any of the connections. So this is where most of my oil leaks are coming from right now. I'm gonna quickly run down to the store. We'll probably go get some clamps to get that taken care of, clean this up, and we're done over in this area. Well, in between there, I ended up busting. I had a broken hood latch cable, and my mounts are all screwed up, so those are gonna be getting replaced as well. Just, you know, small things that keep on happening. When you come over this way, we'll show you guys. This is what we took out of the car in the last couple of minutes, chopping it out, cleaning it up, whatsoever, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, we took all that out. Gravir's done a good job underneath. He's working at it still. We'll show you that. He's been cleaning underneath, wire brushing the car. And then before the end of this video, we're gonna try to get the other side done as well. Before we end the video today, we're gonna cut that corner out as well on the passenger side, and we'll put a time lapse in there of us cutting it out, getting it prepped, ready to go. The metal sheet I ordered is supposed to show up in the next day. I was told it was gonna come today. It's not coming today, so I can't really pick it up. All the stores are closed. We'll pick it up tomorrow or the next day. We'll get it all good. We'll start prepping everything. So by the end of this month, I want to try to get this car done. I want to get this thing on the street so we can jump into the summer bashes of learning how to practice drifting and get going on the track again. Needs a little bit of work, but we're there. We'll figure it out. I should have this floor done in the next 2 videos. We have cleaned and fixed all the oil leaks on this car. It doesn't leak anything. Cardboard's there just for safekeeping, just to make sure that what I'm saying is correct. It's good. We've cleaned, wire brushed the whole underneath of the car on the driver's side. We're ready to go. Tomorrow we're gonna grind it up, level it out, have a good setup going there. We'll get it all prepped up. For next video, you'll see that everything there is all prepped up. We may add some time lapse to get it going. Sorry, I'm having my Coca-Cola right now. Excuse me. Yeah, we got most of that done. We're working on the other side as well. I want to actually end the video here. All I want to say to you guys is thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and have a good day.